Hi guys, good morning. I'm Luigi from Lessification and welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday. It is like travel school, but in bite-sized chunks. If you're like me, I really enjoy reading while traveling. Whether on the plane or the beach, reading a good book is so satisfying. The only problem with books though is that they take up so much space in your bag and add extra weight, especially if you're packing multiple. So this is today's tip. Read books on your smartphone. Reading books this way is fantastic because you can have access to multiple books and the ability to download new books, all without taking up any extra space in your bag. Plus, using your smartphone lets you flex between reading and listening to audiobooks as well. And the process to turning your smartphone into an e-reader is easy. Just download the Kindle app or the Audible app and you can download books straight from Amazon. Or, my favorite option, you can even read books for free using the app called Libby. Libby connects your library card and grants you access to thousands of books and audiobooks for free through your library. I mean, how rad is that? You can basically carry around your local library with you wherever you happen to be traveling to. That's awesome. And I know some of you might be thinking, reading books on your smartphone doesn't quite compare to the satisfaction you'd get from turning real pages. And you'd probably be right. But the best book is the one that you have on you. And by using your phone as an e-reader, you'll always have a good book with you. And I have links to all these apps I mentioned in the description of this video. Okay, so that was today's Travel Tip Tuesday's tip, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please click the subscribe button now, and you will get a new travel tip every Tuesday that'll help you pack less, carry less, and experience more on your trips. I'm Luigi from Lessification. Happy trails.